Dogs howl, and if you want, this is for your dogs. This is for try not to howl for your dogs. So if you have dogs out there and you're trying to do the try not to howl challenge, maybe they'll howl because my dogs howl when we howl. So try it when you howl. Ready? Melody, hold the camera.
No, I could. No, I could.
Okay, do not press anything. Do not put your... Okay, ready?
Come on. Just go. Piston. Piston.
Okay, Gus wants to be our first person. No, come back. Yes.
Hi to the viewers.
Okay, ready? Stay. No, protect it. Ready, set, howl. Oh, the other dog is howling. Sit. Good boy. We're actually trying to try not to howl, but I did once, but my dog howled, so we're trying to do it for you guys that have dogs. Sit down. Sit. 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 Good boy. Are they bored? Keep howling. You too. Over there. Howl. Melanie, howl. So if my dogs are not howling, maybe your dog will howl because we're good at howling. I'm actually good at howling. Okay, I know how to do huskies. I know how to do my dogs. Whoa!
The chihuahuas?
No, they're Dachshunds. Dachshund, Chihuahua, miniature pincher. Come back over there. Hey, block the door. No, block the door. Not the house window. Oh yeah, this is their house right here. It's like, what time is it? It's like 9:38 and my friends are here because we're babysitting them. She's a little baby. Not a baby. She's very big. She's a big baby. Let's let them rest for a little bit. Okay, guys. Okay, show them what was Piston doing? Here, make sure they see doing. Okay, he was doing this. You know, Funted Puppy, Piston, the dogs, Gus. Funted Puppy was doing this. He was stretching and like this. What was he doing? Gus was just sitting. Ew! Look at doing that. That's appropriate. Kid-friendly channel. Stop. No, lick there. Disgusting. You licked it. You don't want it, no. He keeps licking. He even licked. Oh yeah. If you didn't know, Otis, you know the popular doggy, little doggy that I love. He's gone. Notice. This is where you see the German shepherds. Notice.
Otis is in my house.
Otis is at her house.
No, I don't want to be in the video.
She doesn't like being in YouTube, but this girl does. Now she's drawing something. What are you drawing?
Like
Flower?
a poo-poo dog?
She's drawing a flower. She first started with a circle. And now she's making, oh my god, look! Look, she is making a flower.
Wow.
Yeah. She's a talented pre-K'er.
Oh,
Did she make a bunny? Or a bird? I don't, now she's making a fancy.
Oh!
You got chalk. Oh, let's see where this guy's gonna go.
I want to make a dog.
Okay, where you going? Smells like mushrooms here. Where you going? It's like, don't follow me. Oh, that's because he needs to go to the bathroom also. What are you doing? It's like, looking for something. What the heck? What are you doing? Ew! He peed! What are you doing? German Shepherd, what? I haven't seen it for a long time. Oh! Scary German Shepherds. See those? Scary German Shepherds. They're very scary. Where are you going? What are you doing? Ew! No! You got pee and now you got poop? Kid friendly! Not kid friendly! Pooping and peeing at the same time. Not kid friendly. Hey, that's a wrong dog. This is how you do it. Do it. How? This is a real dog. Done. Oh, done. How do I do that? Done.
Oh, that's cute. Can you move?
Oh, the body's a little skinny. The arm's a little skinny. I'm trying to make a husky.
And its tail?
I'm like, tail's always the last one. It's the hardest. Dun, dun.
What is that?
That's a husky. Do this. Here you go, now it's a husky. Now I just gotta use the collar. The collar is always like this, but now mine is always in the front. I wasted my chalk. Oh yeah, I forgot to put my name.
So your husky is gonna be Sophia?
No.
Sophie? I'm just kidding. Sophie.
What?
Now where are my toys?
Where? Oh yeah, your toys are lost in my box. Cause I was playing. Okay, do not grab them yet. I'm still making them.
Molly's going crazy.
What the heck? You're drawing. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah. God. She tried to make a person, but now she can't. Here, give me it. You're wasting all my chalk. Wait, where do you get the chalk? I forgot. Oh, over here.
You forgot the other one.
I know. My cute little dog with them cute eyes. Boy, I forgot to.
Okay.
Come back over here. I can make the eyes good. Now it looks like a monster. You want soda? Okay. You want soda? Look at where my dogs are. Guys, it's so rad. Look at them. They're eating food.
Yeah.
Chelsea, Gus eating my plants. He's eating my good. Eating. Look! Look! He was already there when you're outside.
Oh.
Look at that. The bad dog.
Eating the lemongrass.
Okay, guys, that's all for today. I just wanted to show you that my dogs try not to howl. So make sure you do this with your dogs. If you don't have dogs, just don't watch this video. But that's all. If you made it all the way to the end, make sure you subscribe and leave a like for you never miss another cute little video of my dogs. Now they're eating my plants. See? My dad's gonna get super mad because he plants those. But make sure you are growing and eating all your veggies like my dogs are eating all my plants. Why are you eating my lemongrass? It smells like lemon. Smell it? Good. Good.
Smell it?
I don't think it smells like lemon anymore because my dogs keep licking it. Hey! Okay, that's for all. Have a nice day. And make sure you have a happy day like I never have one. Just kidding, I do sometimes. And now, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay. No, say bye, Melody.
Bye.
You will see her in some videos because she always comes. Because her mom works as a teacher assistant.
Yeah.
A teacher assistant.
Yeah, Sophie, I make videos
She
on my
helps.
iPad.
Oh my god. Okay, what's it called?
Barbie.
What the heck? What type of channel is that?
It's my Barbie neutral channel.
Neutral. And you can see those people like tomorrow.
No, Melody is lying. She doesn't have a YouTube.
She doesn't. She's just making it up.
She's just making it.
Maybe she does make videos. Just maybe she doesn't post them on YouTube.
No, she doesn't know how to post them on YouTube.
No. Yeah. I said. Wait a minute. I gotta talk to my friend. Okay, guys. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
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 Bye. Just say bye. Bye.
And get out of here.
Oh my god. Me and viewers. My little fun time dog. And fun time puppies and fun time titties. Say bye, fun time dog. No, he said bye. Say bye, fun time puppy. And he still is eating, but I'm just gonna pretend they said bye because they don't speak my language, English and Spanish. But they're chihuahuas, the sounds. Pincher, pincher. So bye. Make sure you eat your veggies. Like what they're eating. My plants that look like veggies. You know these are not veggies. Okay, my tablet's burning, so bye.